Good evening. Gabi ngayon. It's February 15 and I just found this G7X camera that I've had for a long time. Matagal ko to siyang nagamit and matagal ko rin siyang hindi nagamit. It's just so nice to have it on my hands again kasi ito talaga yung camera na nakasama ko for a very long time. Ito yung camera na ginamit ko ng matagal. Maliit pa si Lily, to Aiden, to nagpapalit ako ng camera, but I always go back to this one kasi the quality and just that love for filming is just so nice. I have the small one, yung DJI, but iba pa rin talaga itong Canon G7X Mark II. It just feels different and bright. Please excuse yung kalat sa likod. But anyway, I will try to film tomorrow. So ito yung ating intro on this vlog. So we'll bring this camera along and see how it goes.
Hi guys, we're at the back.
Say good morning!
Good morning!
Where are you going?
BGC!
BGC.
Oh, wow! And at the back it has small seats like for children. You're at the back too.
Yeah. Where are we going?
What's this? Eye doctor.
Eye doctor. What did you say?
After eye doctor, we're going to get 4 Dr. Seuss's books.
No, I have Dr. Seuss book in the house already. A new one. Oh.
Green eggs and ham. Mommy,
Okay.
is that Lorax? Is that mint?
Mhm.
Okay, can the Lorax? Green eggs and ham.
We're in a moving car. Because you could joke. You're in a moving car. Later after, okay?
Okay. Mommy.
Yeah.
Green eggs and ham. The Lorax. 10 apples on top.
Okay.
Aiden, do you want seatbelt? Because we have tiny
to wear-
seatbelts.
You have to wear seatbelts.
Whoa! Wait, the steward. Aiden, the stewardess mommy is
Put
asking
on the seatbelts. Oh, what did you say? You want what?
What's mine?
What kind of car you want?
A big one like this. Oh,
Yari tayo dyan.
green eggs.
Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display. Third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops that dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth. 'Cause I can stay inside and step away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and step away inside. Oh, take today, go dancing in the rain. Yeah. Woo, oh, na 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 na. Woo, oh, oh, na 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 na. Woo, oh, na 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 na. Woo, na na na. Woo, na na na. When I was a little child, I naturally would see magic in the world around me. Now I often get so tired. It's harder just to be fascinated, breathe.
Hello guys! Good morning! So we had Aiden's eye check. Kasama namin si Misty, si Marco, si Doc Mac, and ay kasama naman yung classmates Ella's sister, yeah, and her dad. So hindi kami sabay-sabay na pumunta, and si Aiden nagtatantrums na doon, hindi ko na sila mahintay, and nahihiya din ako kasi syempre marami kami and hindi ko alam kung paano ako mag-iaya. Punta tayo sa ganito, punta tayo sa ganyan. Eh, yung mga kasama ko galang-gala. So, ayan. As usual, pag nandito kami sa BG, tayo sa Elephant Ground for brunch.
Inside the elevator.
How about outside? Outside lang.
No.
Outside lang. Here.
No, no.
Here, oh. You wanna here? Malabo pa yung mata ni Aiden. Kaya nilalayo niya pa yung screen. So, we are here in Elephant Ground. Paborito namin ni Lily dito pumunta kapag nagpupunta kami ng BGC. Kasi gusto ko yung kanilang salmon mentaiko. And si Lily naman, ang paborito dito yung baby chino. Kasi dito lang siya nakaka-order. Pero wala silang stock. Wala daw sila ngayon. So, medyo sad siya. Sabi ko, tingnan ko kung makakahanap kami ng ibang mag-orderan ng baby chino. And yung Aiden namin, kanina nagwawala kasi malabo pa yung mata niya. Nilagyan kasi siya ng drops para ma-check yung grado, para ma-dilate yung mata niya. And parang hanggang ngayon may effect pa. Kaya mainit ang ulo. Tapos yung phone nilalayo niya ganon para makita niya. So, pinagbigyan ko na lang muna. Usually, hindi yan siya nagsa-screen time. Pero pinagbigyan ko lang muna siya mag-screen time kasi nga wala sa maganon. Ha?
Hindi po sila, oh, zero.
Ginaganon niya yung cellphone, tapos maganon-ganon pa siya. So, ayun. I'm having...
Zero na lang akin.
May kape sila.
Hindi mo masabing kape ah.
Ay, magkape na lang.
May ano sila, may ano bang, black coffee. Black coffee sila.
Black coffee.
Ayun, ikaw.
Black coffee.
Ano kayo yung din sa hot rice?
Hot. Hot ka ba? Or ice?
Sa akin, ma'am. Anong ba mo?
Latte.
Latte.
Latte. Hot po.
Ice. Tapos pwede ko on the side na syrup. Syrup. Sugar syrup. Kasi feeling ko matatapangan.
Dalawang ice latte and hot lang.
Thank you. Si Yayabet gumagala. Enjoy na enjoy siya. Magkaka-black coffee ako.
Kanina pa kaping-kape dyan.
Kaya nga, kaya sabi niyo magkukusiro ako. Sigurado ka, may kape sila. Pwede ka mag-order ng kape, okay lang. Aiden, sit down here, my love.
Yun mo. Dalawa. Ayan, tatapak. Dalawang ganon.
Pero kaya nag-order ako ng sugar syrup para malagyan ng sugar. I have it at home.
Can you
I
buy
have it
me for Dr. Seuss books?
Yes. Because you're a good guy, right? What did you say earlier?
Eggs and ham, Nora, and apples on top. Soup, scrambled egg super.
Wala siya sa mood, kawawa na. Napatulan ko na nga siya kanina. Bitawan mo ako kung anong ganyan ha. Hindi po pwedeng, sabi niya kasi sa akin, di ba, sorry mami, kasi kumupo ka na. No, yung ganon, ayaw niya inutusan siya. Yan ang pala mo, yung kung gaano kalayo para makita niyo. Nalalayo niya.
Sounds na lang daw. Sabihan ako.
Yung baby ko, ito rin hindi naman to nagpo-phone. Pakita mo sa kanila yung ginagawa mo. Pakita mo sa kanila yung laruan mo na. Ano to siya eh, old soul. Parang pareho kami. Kung hindi na, pakita mo yung ginagawa mo.
Old soul kayo? Old soul din na
Pakita. Show. Yan. Hindi siya mahilig yung mga brand new phone, yung mga latest na mga iPad games. Pero hindi siya super into it.
I'm addicted.
More on, ha?
I think I'm addicted.
To what?
This?
Brick game. Brick game yan. So, nag-ano siya. Nag-brick game yun, di ba ma? Yung Tetris. Ah. So,
It's like there's blocks falling down.
Tapos gusto
and
niyang
you have to
nalalaman.
make it fit.
Yeah, it's called Tetris. Cassette player. Interesado siya dyan. Mga
Thank you.
video cam. Mga ganun. Totoo ito siya. Tapos, hindi siya more on mga ano, yung mga latest na ganyan. Even with cameras, pag yung camera mas luma, mas gusto niya. Pareho kami niya.
Daya, mas ano yung sa'yo.
So, ito yung lagi ko in-order here. Honeycomb latte and salmon mentaiko. And for Lily, you got syrup, Baba? Okay, what did you order? Waffles. Belgian waffles. Sila may karagi. Wala pa yung kay ate. And kay Aiden. Oh,
Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide. Don't stop looking in my eyes. Are you cold? Do you want to sit down? I've been here a million times, so I know my way around. Don't stop looking at me now.
Oh, hindi ko napakita yung sa'yo, Yaya Bet. Naubos na. Teriyaki. Baka. Hindi. Okay lang. Karage. Karage. Isipin mo lang si... Isipin mo Ate, seryoso. Kumain si AA. Ewan ko na lang. Si Lily, tinatawanan niya. Paano daw ang grandma... Show the grandma pose. Oh, wow!
Just like the Mona Lisa.
Yeah, paano ulit yung mat? Hindi naman ganyan eh, no? Ano din? Paano mag-pose? Usually, pipicturean kita, pipicturean kita. Pose. Ayan. Do it, Lil. Ano na? Oo. Apo ko talaga, kilala na talaga ako. Ay, grandma look. Nahiya nga ako kay Doc kasi sabi ko, gusto pa naman yun nila ng ano. Gusto na ng mga... Oo. Sabi ko kasi, hindi ka kasya sa kotse. Kaya sabi ko, ano tayo? Mag-convoy na lang or mag-separate na lang. Doon tayo ako magkita. Kasi ka ako, kasama ko si mama nga tsaka si sabi ko hindi ka kasya. Sabi ko, kung saan ka masaya? Sabi niya gano'n. Kasi parang feeling ko, alam mo kami may nagtampo to. Tapos, nung itong umaga na, saan ko lang na-realize, di ba kayo ng umaga na? Coding. Kaya hindi ako nag-drive. Kasi coding. Oo na, pero umaga ko na kasi na-realize, ang nagsabi mo sa akin si Phil. Kinisip ko kung tutuloy ba ako kasi na coding. Ang sabi ni Phil, pwede naman mag-grab ka na lang. Sige, mag-grab na lang. Kaya, di ba sabi ko, okay lang kung hindi kayo sasama.
May lakad daw kasi tayo.
Hmm?
May lakad pa daw kasi pala tayo.
Wala! Sabi ko, gusto lang. Pag nag-videos sila lang ako kasi. Gusto mo masyal. What did you wanna see?
The BGC portal.
Yay!
It's there.
Ano siya? Tapos siya. Merong portal, may bilog na ganyan at saka screen dun sa ibang bansa. Tapos makikita ka nila, makikita mo sila. Ay! May Ireland, may... Basta ano lang, parang Siam ata. Yes. Right natin. Ayun o, yung screen.
That's BGC. Wait, that looks like Italy? It looks like Italy. At the top, there's a flag. Italy.
Ha?
I think it's Italy. Oh, it's Italy.
O kasi may plug dun sa taas.
It's raining.
Change.
Tagal naman. Ayun. Ano yan?
America.
America.
And it's nighttime also. And it's also raining. Yay.
So, pala pupunta dito gabi para umaga sa kanila.
Ay, oo, makikita, no? Yung mga tao. Change. Saan? Ah, yung white na yon?
We are in Funnyboat
For?
for Eden.
Let's go to an art museum. I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much, and Van Gogh might take a while. But thank you for coming. I know that you're trying to do anything to make me smile.
We are finally here at the bookstore. Nilakad lang namin yung buong High Street to get the Aiden's favorite bookstore. So, si Lily may napili ng book but si AA wala pa. So, we're gonna wait until he finds the book that he wants. And then... What's that? Don't let them...
Don't let them disappear.
12 endangered species across the globe. Lily, show us what you got. Wow.
And that's what happened hard.
And I got 3 books. 3 books for mommy. Yung isa ay hiramin niya. Kasi,
Yan ang unahin ng basahin.
ano yung hiramin mo?
About myself. Mga pinagagawa ko sa buhay. Ano bang purpose ko sa buhay na ito?
Mga self-help books meron siya. So, we're going to dapat daan muna kami ng SM but wala pa, lobat na yung aking baterya ng phone ko. So, wala akong dalang sasakyan today. Nag-grab lang kami dahil ako'y coding. So, I have 9%. Yes, we're going home, baba. We're going home. So, uwi na kami. Sa baka mamaya hindi pa kami makauwi. At abutan kami ng traffic kasi Friday. So, it's now 2:10. And malapit na yung driver. Nasa stoplight na siya. Diyan.
Ilang minutes?
Diyan na siya banda. Diyan sa stoplight na lang. Come on. Let's go.
Stop it!
Go, go, go. Follow Grandma. Inaya bet. Got this. Lils, try it. Take it off. We're in the car.
Let me try.
Wow. You like it?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, wait. Dahil bihira tayong film ng gabi. Ayan. I'll be using Lux Organics Whitening Repair. But whitening pala siya. Ultra Light Glow Micellar Makeup Remover. So, makeup remover siya. Pero ngayon ko lang nabasa na ganito pala siya. Ultra Soft Gentle on Skin. Removes water resistant makeup. Okay. Niacinamide Vitamin C Sweet Almond. Ayan. So, pag yung mga ganitong time na wala na ako sa mood para maghilamos. I just wanna do a quick cleanse ng face. I use this. Ayan. So, ang recommend nito is si Misty. And, hindi ako super duper fan ng makeup remover wipes kasi hindi siya totally nakakatanggal. Ito naman nakakatanggal, pero yung minsan yung mascara, medyo iba pa rin kasi talaga pag winash yung face. Pero wala lang akong mascara ngayon. But I noticed na, hindi siya ganun ka-harsh sa skin. Kasi di ba may mga makeup wipes na rough, baga. Ayan. So, ayan siya. Yung skin ko, super dry. So, kailangan ko magpalit ng skincare to help with my skin. So, ang gamit ko ngayon, itong collagen na toner, volume lifting toner that I got from the Face Shop. Let's see if I can show you. Ayan. Toner. Gusto ko ng mag-retinol. Kaya lang, yung last na nagpa-facial ako, pinastop muna ako mag-retinol. Kasi dry na lalo yung face ko sa sa products na nilalagay ko sa skin ko. So, kailangan ko magpalit ng ng skincare. So, here we are. And then, I'll be using yung collagen din na para siya, moisturizer siya eh. Pero ang nakalagay dito, volume lifting emulsion. Ito kasi, volume lifting toner. Ito naman, Volume Lifting Emulsion. Pero alam ko moisturizer siya. So, meron din sila nitong serum, but I didn't get that kasi medyo pricey siya. Tingnan ko muna kung maganda yung toner and moisturizer. And kung maganda, I can go back and purchase yung serum. Maganda siya actually. But, hindi pa ako nakakabalik for the serum. Anyway, that's it for our skincare. See you tomorrow. Hello?
Hi.
Okay?
Hi, princess.
Hi.
Let me see that ring that I got you.
Tiny lang.
Nice.
Actually, it's meant to be for this, but it's too tiny. Look. Anyway, you okay?
Yeah.
Look what I found today.
Fuck off. Where'd that come from?
From my backpack.
That's good, isn't it? Oh, it does, man.
It works, yeah. This is where it all started. On this very camera. How do you end the video?
Thank you for watching. Like this video if you like and subscribe.
And then?
See you on the next one.
And then?
What?
Bye!
You're my better half, a part of me through and through. And I only wish for one thing: to grow old with you.